come on in. Hey everybody, so today I am doing our empty apartment tour, and as you can tell we already have some stuff moved in and we spilled some rice on the floor, so don't look at that. But this right here is our open concept kitchen area. I love this open island, and then here's the stove right here already attached to the island, and then we have a whole bunch of storage. We have storage here. Our bar stools are going to go right there. This side, we have even more storage. So we have these 3 big drawers right here, and then a cabinet, and another cabinet. And then over here, there's like a sink and more storage, and then more storage underneath. And then we have our dishwasher right here. We don't really use a dishwasher. We're used to like hand washing. So I think we're gonna put our, what's it called? Drying rack right here, and try to make it cute because we're used to having a double sink. So we usually just leave it in the sink, but I guess we'll just put it right here. This right here is like our pantry area. It's pretty open, and our cabinets are really messy at our old apartment. So we're gonna try to make it look presentable some kind of way. This is cute right here. We have to empty our spices and all that stuff. And then here's our microwave right here. And then we have more open concept storage above and below. And then you come to this area. So this is, I guess, the dining area. We don't really have this at our old apartment, so we have to buy a dining table or something to put right here. We're gonna start looking for it, but we're probably not gonna buy it right now. And then this area, this is the living room. This is probably, I want to say twice as big as our old apartment, but it's bigger than our living area that we're currently in. So I think what we're gonna do is either put the couch on this side, and then a TV stand and the TV on this side, or vice versa. Or we're either gonna scoot the couch up like midway and then put the TV still there. And then I think we're gonna get like a mirror or something to put in the corner. And then behind here, I think we're thinking about putting a desk, so we have somewhere to sit and I guess it's like use our computer and stuff. That's the idea for now. We want to get a rug. We don't really like the idea of a rug on carpet. We'd rather have it on a hardwood floor. So this way to your left, this is my room. So this right here is my room. It's kind of weirdly shaped because there's like a slant right here. So excited. I think I'm gonna put my bed against the wall. It's a queen size bed, so it might take up this whole space. I was thinking about putting like a chair right here, but I don't really think it's gonna fit. If I decide to get a dresser, depending on if I wanna get a wide one or a tall one, it'll go right here. On this side, put a bookshelf to display my shoes, because I've always wanted to do that, and now I can. So I think I'm gonna put that right here, and then I guess like a side table right here beside my bed. And then on this side of the wall, I think I'm gonna put a clothing rack on this side. That's all I really have planned for it. So, and then right here, the bathroom is attached to my bedroom. I love this tall mirror, and then it has double the space for things because I have a lot of things. So I think this side I'm just gonna put my skincare and hair stuff, and then this side I'm just gonna put my makeup and then like the main makeup that I use. And then we just have storage here, and I guess this is a towel rack. So this one is just a regular tub. I don't know what the other one is called. Toilet's right here, and then above that is just more storage. And then behind the door is my favorite part. I wish it was in the room, but it's okay. So behind the door are just these open shelves that right now I'm just storing like a bunch of random stuff. I think you're supposed to put towels. I don't really have that many towels, and since it's just me, I'll probably just use like half of one of these. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna stack random stuff in it. I'm so excited. And then the closet is attached to the bathroom. I think this closet is a little smaller than Nell's, but that's okay. It's still bigger than what we have right now. I have some of my long sleeve stuff right here. I haven't figured out the space yet, and I'm so excited to fill it up. And now we're gonna go to Nell's room, which is on the right side of the apartment. Right? Left. Oh, well, I guess left now. You can just pan around while I'm talking.
Oh, my undies are out. I can pan over.
Okay. So this is Nell's room right here. I think it's pretty much the same size as my room. I think she's gonna put her bed in that corner. But yeah, that's pretty much Nell's room. Hers is like a perfect square compared to mine. And then her bathroom is outside of her room.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
It's the same concept, hall mirror, same countertop area. And then she has the, I don't know what kind of shower this is called. Just an open shower that's like glass or see-through. Shower head's over on this side. And I guess you just put the towel here or shower curtain, short shower curtain. And then there's her toilet and the same storage. And then this is her closet. As you can tell, it's a little bigger. She's probably not gonna fill this up.
Nope.
This is all her clothes right here, so.
Yep.
So I think she's gonna put her like tall dresser right here, or either the cubicle. Oh, the cubicle might fit. Or actually, we might have already took a layer off. But she's gonna put something right here to fill this space. So that is pretty much it for this apartment tour. This is a good garbage bag. It's not gonna take us a long time to furnish it, but it's just expensive to furnish it right now. We're gonna do it slowly. So excited to decorate my room. Hope you guys enjoyed this empty apartment tour. When it's fully furnished, I guess I'll do fully furnished apartment tour. But as for now, that is it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Say bye now.
Bye now.
And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.